Hey guys, if Life360 isn't working properly on your iPhone, I'll walk you through the best fixes step by step. First step is to check the internet and location setting on your iPhone. Make sure your device is connected to the proper internet. If internet is not working, try to switch to mobile data and your location is simply turn it on. Now another step is to enable the background app refresh. Life360 must run in the background, so go to the setting, go to your iPhone settings and choose the Life360 app and background app refresh on is turned on, and also turn off the lower power mode since it can stop dragging. And step 3 is to fix notification and permission. Check that notifications are enabled for Life360 app. Simply go to the setting and check the notification. Also confirm microphone and motion permission are turned on. Then step 4 is to update or reinstall the app. Head to the app store, also in Play Store because this is my Android phone, and check for the Life360 app and make sure your app is up to date. This reset the connection with your account. And that's it. After this step, Life360 should work smoothly on your iPhone. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tips, and I'll see you in the next one.